Regardless if you're a first-time home buyer or you're downsizing, this property is all about convenience. From the Nugget grocery store behind me, we've got Mod Pizza, Sourdough, Beer Garden, the list goes on, Starbucks, Jamba Juice, everything in this parking lot. And of course, if you're eating that much, you're gonna need your membership at either Hotworks or 24 Hour Fitness, all in this parking lot. And it happens to be also the newest 24 Hour Fitness in the area because this area is growing, it's in demand. And this is all, this entire shopping center within 5-minute walk of your property. Here in Roseville's Blue Oak Shopping District, everything you need is right at your fingertips. Artisan groceries at Nugget, a post-workout smoothie at Jamba, dinner at Smashburger or Mod Pizza, and your daily caffeine fix from Starbucks or Dutch Bros. You're minutes away from parks, top-rated schools, and the highway for an easy commute or weekend escape. Back at home, enjoy freshly painted interiors and community perks that feel like a private resort. From the spa and fitness center to the clubhouse, barbecue areas, and neighborhood park. It's like the kind of location where everyday life just works. So if this property is for you or somebody that you might know, share this with them. Who knows, maybe you can help them save on their Instacart or DoorDash bill.